Good morning, class. Today we learn about chapter 1, that is looking back. Why the chapter name this is called so? Because in this chapter we learn about the terms that you have to already learn in class 4, the basic terms related to the numbers. The first is counting numbers. What is counting number? That count anything, or with the help of counting numbers we have to count any materials or other things. It is start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is called counting number, that is used for count anything. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? When we add 0 in counting numbers, then this is called whole number. Our counting number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And when we add 0 before this, then it's come the whole numbers. Now, Indian place value chart. That means in Indian number system, the place value of the digit. In Indian number system, there were different periods. That is, the first is ones period, second thousand periods, lakhs period and so on, crore, million. Here, because this is looking back chapter, that we have to quick revision of Indian place value chart. So we have to learn or quick revise only 3 periods, that is ones, thousands, lakh. In ones period there were 3 columns, that is called the first place ones, the second place tens, the third place hundred. After this, thousand period divided in only 2 parts. Here we see that ones period divided in 3 parts, but after that the thousands period divided in 2 parts, lakh also 2 parts, and just like so on. Only ones period divided in 3 parts, that is ones, tens, hundred. Now for thousand, here is thousand and 10,000. For lakhs, lakh and here 10 lakh. Now here we discuss in numbers, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Here we see that every place value in each period, every place value, it is sorry. So here we see that every place value in each period, that is multiplication of 10 the previous one. That means here start from ones and here is tens place, and how it's become, because it is multiplication of 10 in ones. 1 multiplied by 10, then 10 comes. After hundreds period, so I say you that multiply the 10 in the previous one. So 10 multiplied by 10, 100. then 100 multiplied by 10, 1000, 1000 multiplied by 10, 10,000, and this way. If you take any example that firstly we have to convert into standard form, that is according to Indian place value chart, that ones period 3 digit 1 2 3 place comma. After this 1000 2 period 1000 period 2 place value 1 2. Now we arrange each digit in period wise. This is for ones period. Start from right hand side. 1 2 3. Here 4, then 3, then 2. Now see here, 2 comes in lakhs period, so we call 2 lakhs. After this is 1000 period, 3 4, 34,000. 2 lakhs 34 thousands. 3 to 1, that in ones place, 3 is the place value, 100, 321. 321. So if you got any number, so first you have to convert in standard form, then you have set in Indian place value chart this way, and then you have to write number name. After this, if we talk about the place value of each digit, suppose we have to find out the place value of 4. Place value. 4 place in which period? 1000 period. And in which place? 1000 place. The ones, tens, 100, 1000. That means 4 place value is 1000. So student, this way we have quick revise about counting numbers, whole numbers, place value chart, that is Indian place value chart, and how we have to write number name, how we have to convert in standard form, and place value of given digit.